What if you could wake up to $10,000 hitting your bank account every single month without clocking into a soul-crushing job? I'm not here to pump you up with empty promises or overhyped dreams. I am laying out the exact AI-driven system I use to generate $120,000 a year, working just 1 hour a day. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a proven blueprint that has already changed my life, and it can change yours too. Nobody else is teaching this, at least not like this. So stick with me, because by the end of this, you will have the exact steps to start building your own wealth machine. Think about it. The average American works 1,800 hours a year to scrape together $50,000. That is 1,800 hours of your life gone for a paycheck that doesn't even give you freedom. Meanwhile, the wealth builders, the ones you see jetting off the tropical islands or buying their dream homes, they are not slaving away for 40, 50, or 60 hours a week. They have built systems that generate $50,000 in a single month, sometimes even in a week. I remember the moment it hit me. I was freelancing, pouring my heart and soul into client work, thinking I was hustling smart. 1 month, after 200 hours of grinding, late nights, no weekends, no life, I checked my bank account, $1,800. After taxes, expenses, and life's endless demands, that paycheck felt like a punch. I wasn't living, I was barely surviving, trapped in a cycle that rewarded my effort with crumbs. From the moment you entered the workforce, society drilled it into you. Work hard, stay loyal, and maybe, just maybe, you'll get ahead. But the game is rigged. The system is built to keep you running on the hamster wheel. But here's the good news, you can break free. AI is the key that unlocks the cage. All you need is a system that leverages AI to do the work for you. That is what flipped the script for me, and it's what I'm about to show you. I used to think AI was for coders or tech bros in Silicon Valley. I was wrong. I started small using ChatGPT to write blog posts for a niche site. What began as $100 a month in ad revenue snowballed into $1,000 in just 3 weeks. Why? Because AI doesn't get tired, doesn't procrastinate, and doesn't need coffee breaks. It just works. Here's the deal. You don't need to master every AI tool out there. Start with one. Pick a single task to automate. The question isn't whether you can do this, it's whether you are willing to try. AI is your 24/7 money machine, ready to work as hard as you let it. So what is the first task you are going to hand over to AI? AI is useless to you if you are still thinking like an employee. Wealth builders don't chase trends, beg for approval, or wait for permission to act. They play to win. They focus on systems, repeatable, scalable, profitable systems that grow wealth while they sleep. Think about Elon Musk. He doesn't build one car at a time. He builds factories that produce thousands. That is the mindset you need. Stop hesitating because you are not ready or don't know enough. That is the employee mindset, and it is killing your potential. Wealth builders don't wait for perfection. They act, test, and scale. When I started, I was terrified. I thought, what if I mess this up? But I once took a leap, using Jasper to create ebook content. It started as $500 a month in sales, grew to $5,000 in 6 months. Why? Because I focused on solving one problem, automating one income stream, and let AI handle the rest. Here's the exact system I use to hit $120,000 a year, broken down into 3 dead simple steps you can copy starting today. Step 1. Create content with AI. Tools like Copy.ai at just $20 a month can pump out blogs, social posts, or ads faster than you can blink. I used it to create 30 social media posts in a week, driving 5,000 clicks to my site. That traffic turned into $1,500 in ad revenue. 1 week of work, $1,500 in my pocket. AI did the heavy lifting. Step 2. Build a sales funnel. System.io for $27 a month lets you create emails, landing pages, and payment systems in a single afternoon. My first funnel took 4 hours to set up and made $3,000 in 30 days. That's $3,000 I didn't have to chase clients for or burn out to earn. Step 3. Optimize with data. Tools like Hotjar at $39 a month track user behavior on your site. I used it to tweak one landing page, boosting conversions by 20% and adding $2,000 a month to my income. Data is your secret weapon. It shows you what works and what doesn't. Don't joke with it. Here is the real talk. I messed up early. I built a funnel without tracking data and lost $600. That failure stung. It made me question if I was cut out for this. But I learned a critical lesson. Test small, analyze, and scale what works. My next funnel hit $4,000 in a month because I followed the data. You can even use Canva Pro's AI tools for $50 a year to design ads that pop. My first AI-designed ad got 1,000 clicks and made $800 in affiliate sales. That is the power of this system. Small investments, big returns. Build it, tweak it, and watch the cash stack up. Most people stop at $10,000 a month and call it a win. That is fine, but wealth builders don't settle. They stack systems to hit millions. One sales funnel makes 10K. Build 5 more: e-commerce stores, affiliate marketing, digital courses. Let AI run them all, working 24/7 while you focus on scaling. I started with one funnel that hit $120,000 a year. Then I added 2 more, an affiliate link system and a digital course. That first $20,000 a month felt like breaking free from gravity. It wasn't luck, it was strategy. Jeff Bezos uses AI to optimize Amazon's logistics. Elon Musk uses it to streamline Tesla's production. You stack funnels. My second funnel cost $200 to set up and made $15,000 in 90 days. Reinvest those profits, build another, and keep scaling. Scaling terrified me at first. I thought, what if it all crashes? That fear nearly kept me small, stuck in the comfort zone of good enough. But I took a risk, reinvested $1,000 into a new funnel, and tripled my income in 6 months. The world wants you to stay small, to stay safe, to stay stuck. But you are here to build wealth, to create an empire that gives you freedom. Stack systems, scale smart, and win big.
If this lit a fire in you, don't keep it to yourself. Share this with someone who is still trapped in the hustle, someone who deserves to know there is a better way. One small tweak, one bold action could 10x your results. The system I have shared is your starting line, but you have got to take the first step. Right now, I challenge you to commit to one AI-powered move today. Maybe it's signing up for Copy.ai to create your first blog post. Maybe it's setting up a System.io funnel before the week is out. Whatever it is, drop it in the comments below. Let's hold each other accountable and start stacking cash together.